All right, let's talk about the next topic, and that is Lyft now sending thanks for tip in
Yeah,
app. So,
yeah,
what do you
this
think
was
about this, Sergio?
I like it. I love it. It's about time. Um, I always did it anyway, seriously, because Lyft gives you 24 hours to go into the app and manually rate, right? Rate your rider. If you let the clock run out, it'll automatically give it 5 stars after 24 hours. But on the trips that I used to get tips, I would go in manually, immediately rate the rider 5 stars, and then I would say thanks for the tip. Now I don't know if it's going to the rider, was going to the rider, probably going to Lyft, and it's going nowhere, black hole. But Lelius posted this on Twitter, and he's an LA driver, and I think this is great.
Mhm.
Uber had this obviously on delivery and rideshare for a long time. I don't know why Lyft never did this, but it seems like it's coming around. I like it. There's nothing bad about this. And hopefully, a lot of you get a lot of tips so you can start using this thing.
Yeah. No, I think I like it. I mean, hopefully people send it out, and hopefully it does increase the likelihood of getting tips when it comes to Lyft, because unfortunately, yeah, Lyft can be one of those apps where they may not be tipping as much as Uber, but it also depends, a lot of the people that you're dealing with in the areas and all that. So, I mean, it's just beyond that when it comes to it. But yeah, it's definitely a nice little thing to have. And hopefully we'll see some more things like this that can hopefully help out.
Yeah,
Yeah, Ken's got
absolutely.
it. He says, "Thanks for the tip is great."
Yeah,
Oh,
I think it's cool. And Lyft has done really interesting things this year. A lot of
mhm.
transparency, a lot of stuff. But this is another addition to it. Hey, that's it. That's nothing negative to talk about this.
No.
So
And I think actually it's gonna benefit drivers more. And, I mean, again, first of all, if you're not driving on both Uber and Lyft, sign up for them now. Make sure you are signing or on both, and then check what other ones you have in your area and sign up for them. It's dumb not to be on both of them. Now, if you can't be on one because of whatever reason, I understand that. If you got deactivated or something happened, that's a different story. But if you're like, "Oh, I like Uber and that's the app I'm on," dude, these companies do not give a shit about you. Don't play their game. Play your game, make your money.
yeah,
So sign up and basically put yourself to the highest bidder and make more money and have more opportunity to be able to get that.
I
And
agree.
Lyft is doing something, as you said, they're doing quite a few things when it comes to how they're handling their app and things like that. So if you use that information, it's actually a lot of great information. So
I absolutely agree. So it's always a good thing. I said this to Risher when he was on. Risher, I don't know. I'm waiting for an email to confirm a date, hopefully, with Risher to come back on. Or, they can do whatever they want in the app. We are the face of the company for those 15, 20, 30 minutes. We are giving, these riders a safe trip. We are servicing the riders, and they know us. They don't know Richard. They don't know Lyft. They don't know nothing. They know us, and tips seriously have become an important part of rider earnings these days. And
unfortunately.
I think it's great. Yeah.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.